Say cuckoo. Say cuckoo. Look at Susa. Look at Susa.
Susa, peekaboo.
What is wrong with this one? That's okay. Susa, look.
Mommy,
Yes.
what is that?
I don't like what you are doing. You're not my friend. Look at Susa. Say good morning, guys. Yeah, we are just waking up. Look at these kids and their shenanigans. And their shenanigans. I want to say hello.
Hello.
Let us say hello. Let us say hello, Papa.
Hello, Mommy.
Say hello.
Hello, Mommy.
Abu, what is hello, money? Drama. Susa, say hello. Say hello, Susa.
Hello.
Susa, say hello.
Hello. Peekaboo.
And look at them. Just take a look at all three of them. Hi, Susa, say hello. Dada. Yeah, guys, we are making fish roll. Say hello, cousin. Hello. Introduction again. Hello guys, meet my cousin. Her name is Miranda Cocolet. Okay, yeah, she's also a YouTuber, guys. Yes, sir. So check her out, Miranda Cocolet. Cocolet the band.
Oh boy, oh shit!
Oh shit, Bobrisky. Yeah, this is my little cousin. Yeah, her name is Esosa. Yeah, you guys remember Esosa? We went to our dedication the last time we went to Grenoble. Sosa, say cuckoo. Say cuckoo.
Say that I'm not there.
Say cuckoo. That you savvy. Yeah, say cuckoo. Say cuckoo.
I want to talk about push your for months.
She just look me. She
so
just look me. Yeah, my cousin is going back now. She's been here since she came since on Wednesday. Yeah, today is Saturday. She's going back. So guys, say bye to her. No makeup now.
No makeup.
If you find girl, now you don't need makeup. Oh, Bonyame. I don't take my tripod. Fine girl don't need makeup. Look at natural beauty. Look at natural beauty.
with this golden shoe shop.
You love me small. Hey, yeah. They pay me sharp because suppose follow you reach pad, you know, mama.
That's how we'll go accommodate.
Nah, sharp. I cannot see quick.
Happy birthday to my brother-in-law.
Yes, so.
Today's my uncle's birthday.
Yes, so happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Papa Mommy.
Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire, Ken. Joyeux anniversaire. Hooray!
What are we spending?
If I make my wish.
Spend love. Because it's Valentine. With you new batteries.
Okay. I think that one good. I mean, I got all of that.
L-O-V-E.
Not the women, no.
This boy here from the house.
Shampoo very fine lady.
They dry. Now,
My cup there, yo.
Happy twist.
Peace of God.
Salopa blessing, I know you have
So hello guys. Yeah, we are done with the party. Yeah, I organized. Look at the kids. I want to say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Nata say hello.
Hello.
Guys, I'm so tired. Okay, I organized a surprise birthday for my hubby. Today is his birthday. What are you saying? So I'm just tired. I'm tired, guys. Today is also my mom's birthday. I'm so blessed, guys. Today is my mom's birthday. You say hello, say happy birthday to grandma.
Happy birthday, Grandma.
Nata say happy birthday, grandma. Happy birthday, daddy.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
I'm gonna say happy birthday, grandma.
Happy birthday, Grandma.
Happy birthday, daddy.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Yeah, today is grandma's birthday and also daddy's birthday. We just finished celebrating daddy's birthday. Yeah, our guests, they are gone. We just invite few of his friends. It's a surprise birthday though. Even though he said he kind of... Let me talk, Mama. I'm still talking. Even though he said he suspected it, but he's fine. At least the party is done, okay? So guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. This is a weekend vlog though, so I'll be ending this vlog tomorrow, which is Valentine's Day. So I'm just trying to clean up now. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Grandma.
Mama.
Happy birthday to you. Hip, 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 hooray. Hip, 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 hooray. Let's see. Guys, excited because they put sugar in my coffee. How are you, Papi? How was your night? Go to church? Oh, look at snow everywhere. Oh my gosh. Guys, good morning. Yeah, this is Sunday morning. We are going to church. Kahamani. I want to say hello.
Hello.
Say happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday.
Happy Valentine, guys. Sun is coming.
I like the song.
You see this fine girl, Chan? Yes, we just arrived at church. We just arrived at church. See you guys later. Hello, hello. Guys, we're at church now. Jesus, my baby. We are going to KFC. Like snows?
No. No. No.
Like snow? We are at KFC. We just finished from church now. Just finished from church. We came to buy KFC. I only want KFC. Snow. Snow. It's snow. And they go baby. Hey, do small. Do small, do small.
Be the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.